Welcome to CADSTATION. Today we are going to make this matchbox using SolidWorks 2022, and we are going to make this by using sheet metal. In the end we will engrave text on our box. So let's start our sketch from the new part. First we will make the cover. In the top plane, first select sketch and rectangle, and here center rectangle. From the origin, make a rectangle, press escape. Go to smart dimension. This one is going to be 1.5 inches and this is going to be 3 inches. Let's make it of 2 inches. 1.75 inches. Okay, that's look good. Now we are going to use the sheet metal. So first of all, we have to convert our 2D sketch into base flange. From here, and sheet metal parameter, it's going to be 0.5 mm. Okay, one more thing. um, from here I'm going to use IPS system again, a sketch, edit sketch, and these dimensions is going to be, this one is 1.75 inches and this is going to be 3 inches. Now this is all set. Now we are going to sheet metal and base flange, and now we are going to convert this of 0.25 mm, the thickness of our 0.25 mm. There's a thickness of our sheet metal. Okay, it's done. Now next is we are going to make the side corners or the side walls edge flange. First of all, we have to make one here, and this is going to be a little bit less. Its height is 0.25 inches. Okay, now next is one more thing, edit features. Can you remember to select the second one? Now again edge flange, this edge, and this time it's going to be 0.5 inches height. Okay, now again edge flange from here, like this, press escape, the front view, and now we are going to 2 inches, 1.75 inches, and now let's do it. Okay, edge flange, we are going to take it here. Now again space and the front. Now you can see this wall is going outside, but we have to make it in this wall. So let's me first select 0.5 inches, and next is this one, the third one option. Okay, this is done. Now one more thing, you can see there is too much distance between them, so we are going to edit features, and here let's use default radius, 0.025, 0.015. It's not affecting here. Okay, close. Yes, edit features is going to be 0.02, and okay, now you can see this is all set, but uh, let me show you again. This wall is going this lit. So again, edit features, and this time we are going to 0.49 inches, 0.48 inches. Okay, 0.4 inches, 48 inches is okay. Now control 7 for isometric view. Now our matchbox is ready. Uh, there's a cover of matchbox. Now we are going to give them some appearance for this appearance, and here pattern, and in the pattern you can find 3D textures. Yes, in the 3D texture you have to drop down your arrow and let's find something. Okay, so select this wall, press control and select this wall, and now give them appearance this one. Control 7 for isometric view again, and now it's okay. This wall and this one is going to be of yellow color, so from here you can change its color to yellow. And okay, one more thing, you have to select this wall, this one, and in the bottom similarly this one and this one. Okay, and here we have done with this. Now we have to give some appearance here. If you want you can give them, but I'm not going to put any appearance here. Now we have to engrave our name or the brand name that we are going to make. So select this wall, sketch, and in the sketch you have to first select line. You can select for construction and made a line horizontal here. Select the midpoint and the origin and make a relation vertical. Smart dimension, this is going to be of 2 inches, and okay. Here you can find the text. Okay, to one more line from here to here of same length, and it's also for construction. Now their heights, it's going to be of 0.35 inches, and this is going to be of 0.35 inches, and done. Now this text, you can select first this curve or it's a line, and here this is CAD station, and select this bold and center. Okay, next is if you want to increase its height or anything, 125% font, and I can change its height. Control A to select all, and I'm going to 0.25 inches. Okay, it's little bit bigger, 0.2 inches. Okay, that's look good. And okay, now next is again text. This time this line, and here it's a match box. And similarly select this bold and take 125 percentage, and we are going to control A 0.15 its height. Okay, let's increase it more, 0.2 inches, and that's look good. Matchbox board, matchbox board. Okay, this is done. Now control 7 for isometric view, and now we are going to use features and extrude cut. But how much you have to cut it? I'm not going to cut the whole box. Let me show you. Select this face here. Now it's 0.1. I'm going to put 0.05, 0.01. Okay, that's the thickness of our sheet. So I'm going to decrease it more, 0.005. That's a half. And okay, it's done. Control 7 for isometric view. Now you can select this one, this one, this one, this one, this triangle and this circle, and change its appearance to yellow. And okay, now you have to select this whole and appearance. I'm going to put it black over it. And okay, these two, select, press control this one and it's left, so this is also going to be left, and control S to save it. And we are going to desktop and here new, and this is our match box. Let's save it, and this is our cover, cover, and let's save it. Now we are going to make the movable tray so part. Similarly, you have to change to IPS top plane sketch, and here center rectangle from the origin, make a rectangle of same dimensions. This is going to be of 1.75 and this is going to be of 3 inches. It's 1.75. Okay, it's done. Now sheet metal base flange and of same thickness. Okay, now this is done. We are going to make the side walls. So edge flange. First of all, this wall and this wall. It's going to be of same height, that is of 0.48 inches or 0.49 inches. Let's 0.49 inches. This one. Okay. Now this time is to edge flange. This edge and this one, and let me select this one. Control 7 for isometric view. This is going to be of only 0.35 inches, and okay, that's all for this. Now we have to break its corner. So here in the corner you can find a break corner or a corner trim. I want to break this one, this one, this one, and this one, and let's 0 to 0.15 inches, and okay. Control 7, this is done. So this one I want to mirror here. So in the features you can find the mirror. Where is the mirror? Here you can find the mirror base or the plane. So here is the right plane that is on the center, and I want to mirror. Okay, bodies, no, features to mirror. I want to mirror this one and the break corners. Okay, uh done. Now we have to sheet metal break corner, and we have to break this one, this one, this one, and this one, and all set. Now we have to make walls here and here. So again, edge flange, that's a common um, command for the sheet metal, from here to here and from here to here, and it's going to be of 0.5 inches. Let me, this is of same height, so um okay, control 7, 0.5 inches, and done. The only thing, okay, close. What's the matter? Edge flange. Okay, one more thing here. We forget to select this one. And again, it's showing the error. So Control 7 for isometric view. What's the error? Let's find. It's intersecting our walls, so that's why. Okay, edge flange, not this one. This is edge flange. Added features, and we are going to select the second one. And okay, now let's see what's done here. Control 7 again. Edge flanges, added features, and here. Hopefully it will solve. Yeah. Now we are going to again and reduce its, where is the angle flange parameters, reduce its radius. It's 0.029. Let's make it of 0.020. And okay, now it's look good. Now we are going to cover this edge flange. We want to make one here and one here. This is of 0.01 or 0.05. This is going this direction, and let me check it. Okay, it's going from the upward. Okay, now we are going to again edge flange, this one in the down direction, and this wall in this direction, and it's going to be of 0.5 inches. That's the whole, or let's 0.48 inches, little bit less. And okay, unable to create the edge flange. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, because of this, let's reduce its radius 0.0 0.01 inches. Okay, control 7 for isometric view. It's done. Now you can change its color. It's look good, and let's save it. And now we are going to assemble them both, new and assembly. And first of all, browse, we want to cover, and for the assembly first we have to turn these origins on and put it on the origin. Now next is we want to insert our, okay, part 5, that's the movable box. And here control 7 for isometric view. Now this time meet, this wall is going to be meet here. Okay, this wall with this one. And okay, let's see what's the error. uh okay, there are two errors that we have to filter. That's its height is more than our box, and the width of our matchbox is less, so we can change it from this box. This box, first of all, we have to change its height. It's 0.5, so let's make it of 0.51 inches. And okay, and the thickness for the for the width, not the thickness, for the width, we are going to sketch. I did a sketch. It's 1.75. Let's make it of 1.8 inches. Let's see it's work or not. Control 7 for isometric view. So we have to change edit features. It's 1.75. Let's make it of 1.85 inches and okay. Now, not the 1.85, it's 1.8 inches by the way. 1.8 inches and okay. Now hopefully it will done. Control S to save it. Now close here and we have to reduce more height or we have to increase the height and here also. No, this one is done. Control 7 from here. This is all set. This is all set, but we have to increase the height. So let's increase the height. There's not a big problem to increase its height. We are going to edge flange, add it, and it's going to be 0.52 inches, and that's all. Control S to save it. Close from here, and now our matchbox is ready. So this is how you can make a matchbox using SolidWorks and sheet metal. So hopefully you will understand how to use sheet metal, how to use the edge flange, and how can you engrave any text on sheet metal. So uh, don't forget to subscribe CADSTATION and share to your friends and press the like button.